Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this video, we will learn to divide to values and find percentage. We want to divide the financed value with the total sales value, and then convert it into percentage. To do that, I will select financed field in the field pane, and click on the down arrow to select the new Quick Measure tool. Once the new Quick Measure tool window pop up, then we will select the division icon from the drop-down. We will divide the sum of financed with the sum of total sales. You can drag and drop the fields from the right side. Now Power BI has created a calculated field. I will rename it as percentage. To convert this into percentage, select the data field and go to top of the ribbon to change the format type. Then convert it to decimal number. We will increase the decimal number to 2. And click on the percent sign. We have calculated the percent of financed with respect to total sales. If you want to learn to create an awesome looking dashboard like this in less than 20 minutes, then click on the link above or click on the end screen video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also, don't forget to check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.